What happened in the skies on the morning of September 11th, 2001? Why did America's air defense seem to be ineffective?
The American 11 boss just gave us a heads up and said that he was heading towards Washington.
Now, where are you getting this information from on American 11?
Okay. You know, let's get rid of this goddamn sim. Turn your switch. Hey, turn the sim switches off. Let's get rid of that crap.
It is interesting to note that American 11 and United 175 both have the same departure and destination, Boston to LAX, but were given different routing. American 11 was cleared along the preferred Great Circle route to LAX, which directs flights over Syracuse, New York. This is the most direct route to Los Angeles International Airport. United 175 was given a more southern route, used mainly by departures out of Newark. Due to the cleared southern route of the alleged UA-175, the aircraft was closer to the World Trade Center after the first tower strike. Had this aircraft been given the preferred route to LAX, it would have taken more time to reach its target, and perhaps given enough time for fighters to intercept the aircraft before reaching its target. Also, due to this change of route, United 175 crossed American 11 within miles of each other. At this time, UA-93 departed EWR. UA-93 and UA-175 used the same exact path, also within miles of each other. This brings to mind Operation Northwoods. Operation Northwoods was a mission developed by Joint Chiefs of Staff Lemnitzer. The operation dictated swapping commercial aircraft once airborne for drones and shooting them out of the sky. This action was to be blamed on Cuba in order to justify an invasion, a classic false flag mission. Stage an attack and blame it on your enemy to gain public and, most importantly, congressional support for war. There are many tracks which seemingly go out of their way to converge with the alleged 9/11 targets and then split off. Was a swap occurring at these points? A sort of revised and updated form of Operation Northwoods? Of course, a simple explanation will be offered by government agencies and those who make excuses. But the coincidences cannot be ignored.